Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through creating and sending your very first email campaign in MailerLite, completely for free. First, log into your MailerLite dashboard. On the main sidebar, click on the Campaigns tab, then click the bright Create Campaign button. A menu will pop up. Select Regular Campaign to start with a standard email. You'll now choose your audience. Select the subscriber list you want to send this email to. If you just have one list, it will be selected by default. Next, click Design Email to open the editor. Here, you can choose a template or start from a blank canvas. For a simple start, pick a basic template. You can edit the text by clicking on it, and replace images by clicking the image block and uploading your own. On the right side, you'll see options to change colors, fonts, and styles to match your brand. Write a compelling subject line and preview text. This is what people see in their inbox before opening the email when your email looks good. Click Continue to set up, review all the details, then hit Schedule or Send. You can send it immediately or schedule it for the best time, and that's it. Your first email campaign is on its way to your subscribers. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know what kind of emails you'll be sending, and I'll see you in the next one.